Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to make a skirt with a cowl on the side seam. So why this particular design? Well, first of all, there is no side seam. No seam on the side. That's unusual. Secondly, as with all cowls, it's on the bias. Side seam on the bias, very rare. And thirdly, this is very dramatic, right? This is red carpet designs. You can't go shopping at your local market for bananas dressed in red velvet cowl skirt, okay? All right, let's do this. What is important is the bias grain line, right? From corner to corner. We've done that previously, so we know what that is. I'm gonna fold my muslin so that one corner is folded over like that, and so that the bias grain line is on the side seam of the form, away from the form, like this. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.